channel, please, while the recording is on. All right, and I'm also recording to the cloud. Today's date is September 29th, 2021. In Lubbock County, Texas, I call cause number 2007-541-173 in the interest of the Rule and Williams children. What says the state?
State is present and ready, Your Honor.
All right, also present by, let's see, it's calling in by phone. No, by audio and video is Amanda Marie Williams. Are you ready to proceed, Ms. Williams?
Yes, ma'am.
Also present by audio and video is Ramsey James Rule. Are you ready, sir? Mr. Rule?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Are you ready to proceed?
Yes, ma'am, I am.
All right.
I am.
I received a message that you were interested in hiring an attorney.
Yes, ma'am. At the moment, I think you're breaking up. Every
I'm not
word
saying
you're saying,
anything,
you're on it.
Mr. Rule. This is not the type of case where you get an appointed attorney.
I understand that.
Pardon? So it's your responsibility to hire an attorney. You understand that?
Correct.
All right. Since this is your first appearance, I'm going to, in fact, grant that request for a continuance. But you need to hire an attorney. Don't wait until the last days before the hearing, because this is the only continuance you're going to get. I'm going to continue this case till January 27th. If you hire an attorney, you need to make sure your attorney is available for that date, and we will once again be on the computer doing a Zoom type of hearing. If you appear or without an attorney, I'm assuming that you're ready to go and represent yourself. Otherwise, your attorney needs to be here. If you're not here, we will go ahead without you. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am, most definitely.
All right. When you get your attorney, you can tell them that Ms. Crump with the AG's office is handling your case.
Yes, ma'am.
And it's easy to remember me. I'm Judge Judy. And if you can tell your attorney that, they will find me. I am actually located in Childress. I will not talk to your attorney about your case personally or any circumstances, but I can tell them the date of the hearing and the time and everything like that.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Mr. Rule and Ms. Williams, then I'm continuing this to January 27th. We'll keep it set at 10 o'clock in the morning. And if you're not here, we will take care of business without you. All right?
Yeah, yes, ma'am. I understood it when you told me.
Okay, good, sir. All right. Thank you both. We'll see you at the end of January.
Thanks.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Yes, ma'am. Have a good day.
January 27th at 10 a.m.
Your Honor, we need a hearing on our case. However, I believe that Mr. Capatillo is going to ask for more time to get himself an attorney.
Okay.
But I told him he'd have to ask the court. I'm not asking for him.
I understand. All right, let's get Capatillo and Bryant out here. Mr. Boyd, what can I do for you?
Whenever you're ready, I'm ready to proceed on a default on Mojica Alonso,
Okay.
as long as you've got that pay record.
Now, Mr. Meadows, is this in fact a CSRP?
Yes, and it's pretty old. I mean, it was done in December. And I don't know if the parties appear, I think maybe the parties appeared, or maybe they knew it was, we found out it was a conflict at that point, or,
I
But-
show that Mr. Capatillo is the custodial parent. Is that correct?
that is correct.
And he wants an attorney?
That's what he says. That's what he said when we talked about having the hearing today.
Okay, let's get, Ms. Bryant has joined us,
Yes, Judge.
and let's get Mr. Capatillo out here.
Hello?
All right. I'm recording this, Mr. Capatillo and Ms. Bryant.
Yes.
Mr. Meadows is also here. Today's date is September 29th, 2021. In Lubbock County, Texas, I call cause number 2007-41318. In the interest of Capatillo children, what says the state?
The Attorney General's office is present and ready.
All right. Also present in person or by audio and video is Marcos Anthony Capatillo. Are you? ready?
Yes. Yes, I'm ready.
I also present by audio and video is Cindy Bryant. Are you ready, Ms. Bryant?
I am.
Mr. Capatillo, I got a message that you were requesting time to hire an attorney.
He's
You're on
muted.
mute, sir.
Pardon?
He's
He's on
on
mute.
mute. Mr. Capatillo's on mute.
Okay. Okay. Yes. I'm sorry. Yes, I did.
All right. And what is the reason you feel you need to hire an attorney?
Because I had talked to the Attorney General. I got the information about my kids being disabled and being adult disabled after they graduated to continue support. They told me the information to send in to Austin. I thought I did it. Sounds like today it wasn't done properly. So now they want to know about my oldest one being adult disabled and my youngest one going to be doing the same thing. The one we went in to court today for John,
All
he's
right.
going to be doing the same thing.
All right, that does in fact require some additional proof of the disability we're talking about and the fact that it is continuing.
Yes.
Mr. Capatillo, you were just served back in August,
Yes.
your first appearance on this matter. I am
Okay.
going to continue this case until January 27th, 2002 at 9 a.m. Now, Mr. Capatillo, if you want an attorney to represent you on that day, you need to get them squared away before January.
Okay, sure will. Thank you.
And make sure your attorney is available on January 27th at 9 a.m. because this is the only continuance you're going to get. You understand that?
January 27th at 9
January
a.m.
27th. You will, once you hire an attorney, they will let the AG's office know. You have to tell them it's an AG case. And my
Okay.
name is Judge Judy. I'm in Childress. And they can contact me and I will get them in touch with one of the attorneys from the AG's office. I will not talk to you or Ms. Bryant about your case. I can give out just the information about the time and the date that the hearing is scheduled.
Okay.
So we will see you on January 27th. And you need to know, Mr. Capatillo, that if you don't have an attorney here on that date, we're going to go ahead without the attorney.
Oh, no, that's fine.
Okay.
Oh,
you will need to
I'll be ready.
present
And
yourself.
you said I need to tell him that it's an AG.
Tell them that that the AG's office from Lubbock is involved.
Okay. From
Okay?
Lubbock is involved. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
All right, thank you, sir. We'll see you
All right, thank you.
7th. Ms. Bryant, we'll see you here on that day as well. Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you.
9
Bye-bye.
o'clock on the 27th. Bye-bye. You get another notice.